Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a hot topic in the freelancing world, Upwork versus People Per Hour. Which platform offers the best opportunities for freelancers? Let's find out. Upwork and People Per Hour are two giants in the freelancing industry. But when it comes to finding gigs and building a successful freelance career, which one comes out on top? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about freelancer fees. Upwork charges freelancers a sliding fee based on their lifetime billings with a client, ranging from 20% for the first $500 build to 5% for lifetime billing over $10,000. On the other hand, People Per Hour has a simpler fee structure ranging from 20% to 5% based on your earnings tier. While Upwork's fee may seem high initially, they can decrease as you build long-term relationships with clients. Now, let's discuss platform usability and interface. Upwork offers a robust platform with advanced search filters, making it easy for freelancers to find relevant jobs. Its milestone-based system also ensures clear communication and payment terms between freelancers and clients. People Per Hour boasts a sleek interface with features like hourlies and the ability to send custom proposals, providing freelancers with more flexibility in showcasing their skills. Additionally, People Per Hour's integrated messaging system simplifies communication with clients. Payment methods and timelines are crucial consideration for freelancers. Upwork offers flexible payment methods including direct bank transfers and PayPal, with funds becoming available after a short clearance period. People Per Hour also provides various payments methods, ensuring freelancers have quick access to their earnings once the client approves the work. Now, let's talk about the cons of Upwork. With its large user base, Upwork can be highly competitive, especially for popular skills and industries. Freelancers may find it challenging to stand out among the competition and win projects. Upwork restricts direct communication between freelancers and clients outside of the platform. The limitation can sometimes hinder effective communication and collaboration on projects. It can be challenging for new freelancers to gain visibility and attract clients on Upwork, particularly without a strong portfolio or established reputation. Building a solid profile and securing positive feedback is essential for increasing visibility and winning projects. Upwork has strict policies regarding freelancer conduct, and violations of these policies can result in account suspension or termination. Freelancer must adhere to Upwork's terms and services to avoid potential penalties. Now, what about People Per Hour? Compared to larger freelancing platforms like Upwork, People Per Hour may have a more limited range of projects available. This could restrict freelancers' opportunities, particularly if they specialize in niche or less common skills. While People Per Hour's fee structure can be advantageous for high-earning freelancers, those who earn less may find the fees relatively high. For example, freelancers in the lower earnings tiers may face a 20% fee, which could significantly impact their earnings. People Per Hour may have fewer active users compared to larger freelancing platforms, resulting in lower visibility for freelancers. This could make it more challenging for freelancers to attract clients and secure projects, especially if they are new to the platform. People Per Hour tends to attract clients and freelancers primarily from the UK and Europe. While this can be beneficial for freelancers in these regions, those from other parts of the world may find it more challenging to find suitable projects or clients. It's important for freelancers to consider these potential cons alongside the platform's benefits when deciding whether to use People Per Hour for their freelance work. Evaluating factors such as project availability, fees, regional focus, and payment protection can help freelancers make informed decisions about which platform best suit their needs and goals. So, the question remains the same: which platform is better for freelancers, Upwork or People Per Hour? Well, it depends on your individual preferences and career goals. Upwork may be more suitable for freelancers seeking a wide range of opportunities and a user-friendly interface, while People Per Hour could appeal to those looking for a simpler fee structure and personalized approach. That's all for today, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.